Have you ever wondered how large enterprises and businesses manage their supply chain and map out complex processes in a clear and understandable way? That's where BPMN comes in. It stands for Business Process Model and Notation, basically a standard way to visualize how workflows are executed. Think of it like a flowchart, just smarter. It uses symbols to show how tasks, decisions, and events connect. And there are three main building blocks. First, we have events, so things that happen at the start, at the end, or in between. This could be anything, a triggered timer, an incoming message, or just a threshold that is met. Then we have activities or tasks. They represent the actual steps of work that needs to be done, either by systems or humans. And then there are gateways. These are the decision points where the flow is redirected based on conditions, like in this simple example, we ask a simple yes or no type of question. So at the end of the day, BPMN is a common language that business and IT understand, and it helps organizations to manage their complex processes in a clear and understandable way. And it's also used pretty much everywhere, from small startups to large enterprises across different industries. If you want to learn more about BPMN and process modeling, just hit the subscribe button. And if you want to go really deep and learn everything about BPMN, check out the description for a special surprise. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.